I'm going to show a quick tutorial on how to use the steering wheel removal tool on your Maverick R. I've already got the cover off, but if the cover's on there, you just want to use your personal vice grips, squeeze down on that pretty hard, release it from these tabs, plastic tabs. Be careful not to break them. Get that out of your way. You can use a 24 millimeter socket to remove the lock nut, the stock lock nut. If you do not have the paddle shifter kit we sell, you will not have these two studs coming through the steering wheel. They'll just be open holes. And if that's the case, you use the provided screws through these in place of right there. You put those in, and they don't have to be overly tight. They just need to be down and somewhat equal. They're going to do the same thing as some nuts that I'm going to use in this case, but there's a little indent on this tool removal that is to accommodate for this plastic. So that's the orientation that you slip it on there. So like I said, if you have the steering wheel, the paddle kit, you simply put on a couple of the provided nuts like so. Go ahead and snug those down. Again, they don't really have to be tight. Then you take a bolt, slip it there, and then go ahead and use a little impact. Pops right off. And there you have it.